time is it? Why is the sun so bright this morning?
Jake! Jake! It is 8 o'clock. I am going out to explore the neighborhood.
Have fun. I will be here. Sleeping.
You are impossible, Jake. I will see you later. Oh, what a beautiful morning. The sun is shining, the sky is blue. I love this street. It is so quiet and pretty. In the morning,
Another beautiful morning. Time to open the shop.
oh, good morning. You must be one of my new neighbors.
Good morning. Yes, I am John. I own the shop at the end of the street. Good to meet you.
Nice to meet you, John. I am Emma. I just moved in yesterday. The cream house with the red door.
Ah, yes. I saw the moving truck yesterday. Welcome to the street, Emma. We are so happy to have you.
Thank you. That is so kind. Everyone here has been so friendly already.
That is our street. We look after each other here. Now, how are you this morning?
I am fine, thank you. I am very happy, actually. A new home, a new start.
That is the spirit. A new start is always exciting. Good for you.
And the weather is lovely today, isn't it? So warm and sunny.
Perfect weather for this time of year. We do not always get days like this.
I know. Back home in the United Kingdom, we do not get much sun either. So I really appreciate days like this.
The United Kingdom! Ha! Well, you chose the right place to move. We get more sun here.
That is true. I am already very happy here.
And how is everything settling in? Did you manage to unpack yesterday?
Not bad. We unpacked some boxes, but there are still many more to go. Jake is still in bed.
Still in bed. That sounds like moving day to me. Don't worry, it takes time.
Yes, it does. But I am enjoying it. Every box we unpack feels like we are really making it our home.
That is the right attitude. And when you need anything for the house, my shop is right there at the end.
Oh, that is so helpful. I actually need to buy some things this morning. Milk, bread, and coffee.
I have all of that. Come by anytime. I open at 8:30.
Wonderful. I will come by in a few minutes. How much is the milk usually?
Don't worry about the price. Everything is fair in my shop. And for new neighbors, I always give a little welcome discount.
A welcome discount. John, that is so generous. Thank you so much.
It is my pleasure. That is what good neighbors do. Now I must go and open up. The early customers will be waiting.
Have a good day, John. See you in a few minutes.
You too, Emma. And tell that housemate of yours to wake up. Ha!
I will, I promise. What a wonderful man. I love this place. The people here are so warm and friendly.
No coffee, no milk. This is not good. This is not good at all.
Jake, you are awake. Good morning. How are you? How are you?
Not great, Emma. There is no coffee. There is no milk. There is no bread. I am not well.
Jake, I met our neighbor John. He owns the shop at the end of the street. I am going there right now.
A shop? Right there? At the end of the street? Emma, you are my favorite person.
10 minutes ago, you were in bed. Now I am your favorite person. I will be back soon.
Get 2 coffees, please. One for me, and one for me later.
2 coffees? For you? Jake, you are something else.
Emma, welcome to the shop. Come in, come in.
Oh, what a nice shop. It is so cozy and neat. You have everything here.
Thank you. I have run this shop for 20 years. Everything a neighbor needs, right here.
20 years. That is amazing. You must know everyone on this street.
I know everyone, and everyone knows me. That is what a neighborhood is. We are one big family.
One big family. I love that. Where I come from in the United Kingdom, nobody really knew their neighbors.
Not here. Here we say good morning. We ask how you are. We look after each other. You will see.
I can already see. In just one morning, I have already met so many kind people.
And you have not even met everyone yet. There is Mr. and Mrs. Bush, and Luke the caretaker. Good people. All of them.
I heard about Mr. and Mrs. Bush from the ladies across the street, Sophia and Mari.
Sophia and Mary. Yes, they are very friendly, very curious. You will learn a lot from them.
Very curious. Yes, I think that is the right way to say it.
You learn fast. You will fit in perfectly here, Emma. I can already tell.
Thank you so much, John, for the shopping and for the conversation. I really enjoyed it.
Anytime, Emma. Come back whenever you need anything. And bring that housemate of yours next time.
What a morning. New home, new neighbors, new friends, and the weather is still beautiful. I think we are going to be very happy here. Jake! I am back. Milk, bread, and coffee, your favorite.
Coffee! You are the best. How are you so amazing? How are you always one step ahead?
I met John. He owns the shop. He is amazing, Jake. So warm and friendly.
That is great. You went out for 15 minutes and already made a new friend.
Actually, 2 new friends. I met John And I also spoke to Sophia and Mary again on the way back.
Sophia and Mari again? What did they ask this time?
Oh, the usual. How are we settling in? What do we do for work? How old are you, Jake?
They asked how old I am? I was still in bed. They have not even met me yet.
I know. Huh. I think they like you already, Jake. Even without meeting you.
Okay, I admit, this is a great street. The people are really something. They...
Really are. And do you know what I realized this morning?
What did you realize?
3 simple words. How are you? That is all it takes to start a conversation, to make someone feel seen.
How are you? 3 words. But they mean so much. You are right, Emma.
It's important that you listen and practice these words.
Watch these episodes every day to improve your English.
Subscribe to Mr. English Channel Academy.
And see you in episode 3.
Bye!
Bye!